Maximizing efficiency with Excel to Tally integration, real-life success stories. Get free trial of Excel to Tally software at www.fastandflow.com. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about maximizing efficiency with Excel to Tally integration. We will be sharing some real-life success stories to show you how this integration can be a game-changer for your business. If you're using Excel to manage your business data, you're probably aware of how time-consuming and error-prone it can be. Manually entering data into Excel sheets can lead to mistakes and inconsistencies, which can be detrimental to your business operations. On the other hand, Tally is a powerful accounting software that can help you manage your financial data efficiently. By integrating Excel with Tally, you can automatically transfer data from Excel sheets to Tally software without any manual intervention. This means you can save a lot of time and effort that would otherwise be spent on data entry. With accurate and timely data available at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions and streamline your business operations. Now, let's dive into some real-life success stories of businesses that have benefited from Excel to Tally integration. A manufacturing company used to spend hours manually entering data into their Excel sheets. They were struggling to keep up with the growing volume of data and were making mistakes that led to inaccurate financial statements. After integrating Excel with Tally, they were able to streamline their inventory management and track sales data in real time. This helped them make data-driven decisions to optimize their operations and increase profits. A retail store was struggling to keep track of inventory and sales data. They were using multiple Excel sheets to manage different aspects of their business, which made it difficult to get a clear picture of their operations. After integrating Excel with Tally, they were able to streamline their inventory management and track sales data in real time. This helped them make data-driven decisions to optimize their operations and increase profits. These are just a few examples of how Excel to Tally integration can help businesses maximize efficiency and achieve their goals. If you're interested in integrating Excel with Tally for your business, we can help. Our team of experts can guide you through the process and help you achieve the best results. Get free demo of Excel to Tally software at www.fastandflow.com.